Getting started with PocketGuard.
PocketGuard is a budgeting app designed to simplify expense tracking. To begin, download PocketGuard and create a secure account. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your bank accounts. This ensures all income and spending are automatically updated, so you always have an accurate overview of your finances.
Linking accounts for automatic tracking.
Connect your checking, savings, and credit card accounts to PocketGuard. The app pulls in transactions from your financial institutions, categorizing them for you. This automation makes expense tracking effortless, allowing you to focus on where your money goes without manual entry.
Viewing and categorizing expenses.
Navigate to PocketGuard's main dashboard to see a summary of your spending. Tap on each transaction to review or recategorize it if needed. Consistent categorization helps you understand your spending habits, making it easier to adjust your budget and save money over time.
Setting spending limits and goals.
Use PocketGuard's In My Pocket feature to view how much money is safe to spend after bills and savings. You can set custom spending limits on categories like groceries or entertainment. This feature helps you avoid overspending and work towards your financial goals, giving you control and peace of mind.
Reviewing reports and making adjustments.
PocketGuard provides clear reports on where your money goes each month. Review these insights regularly to spot trends and identify areas to cut back. Adjust your spending limits as needed to stay on track, making expense tracking with PocketGuard both simple and effective.